Waste-to-energy cranes are semi-automatic and fully automatic cranes manufactured by APR Bright Industries with the capacity of 10 to 25 meter and customized. Our cranes comes with the smart inbuilt features with low maintenance and increase the industry's workflow. Waste-to-energy cranes variants are biomass handling cranes, waste handling cranes, ash handling cranes, sludge handling cranes, slag handling cranes, and overhead cranes. Overhead cranes industriers list is so long as include cement, steel, waste handling industries as municipality corporation also. Contact us and let us inspect your industry.